Hello, this is Eric again with Zimmerman Plumbing and Heating. Today we're going to talk about how to change your battery in a smoke detector or carbon monoxide detector and where to look for their expiration dates. There are many different styles and types of smoke detectors. The majority of them are all located on your ceiling. It's just a quarter turn to the left or right, and then you'll pull it down from the sub base. And if you see wires connected to the back, just go ahead and press on the tabs to remove the wire. The battery may be located on the back, or it could be located on the front of your smoke detector. For this scenario, it's located right up here in the front. Just open up the door, remove your battery, replace it with a new battery. Make sure the door is secure. If it has the plug, just make sure you're locating the prongs and making sure they line up. While you have the smoke detector down, on the back you'll locate when the expiration date is for the smoke detector. This particular one has a 10-year life expectancy, and also some smoke detectors will have a lithium style battery that will not need to be changed for the life of the unit itself. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions on testing, either weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Also, if you have a carbon monoxide monitor, you want to check the battery and change that periodically. Most detectors will have a low indicator, battery indicator displayed. When you see that, just remove the battery compartment on the rear of the detector, replace it with a new battery. Make sure your door is secure. And you're good to go.
Zimmerman.com